Alright, this is for objective 2 of our midterm. So all our code from objective 1 for our temperature sensor is exactly the same until we get to our if statement here. So we've added an if, an else if, and an else statement along with some conditions. So if you look right here, we have if and then our condition. Temperature Fahrenheit is less than or equal to 65. I'm going to digital write to pin 3 high. That is our blue pin, and we want to write to the other two low. Then we go into an else if. So if this condition is not, the computer is going to check this condition, and we have else if our temperature Fahrenheit is greater than 65 and less than 76. We want our light to be yellow, so we digital write to pin 2 and 4, and we write to pin 3 low. Then our final else, we don't need a condition here because this will be true if the other two conditions are false. And we want red, so anytime we get to this point, we're going to digital write to pin number 4 high, which is our red pin. Alright? And then we still have our 3-second delay. So if we look over here at our serial monitor, you can see right now we're returning a temperature of 50 degrees Fahrenheit. And because the temperature is lower than 65, our light is going to be blue. Now while this is warming up, I'll show you a little bit of our circuit. So for our temperature sensor, everything's still the same. What we have done is added our RGB LED along with some resistors to protect it from getting too much current. And we have our grounding leg right here going to the grounding bar on our breadboard. And then off of each of our other legs, we have a resistor to protect it, and that goes into one of our digital pins. Okay, now if I apply some heat to our LED, you can see it changes temperature first to yellow, and then as our temperature increases here, we are going to approach our next point, which is 76, and it will change to red. Should have warmed my hands up a little bit. Come on, we're at 75.5 degrees Fahrenheit. Just need to get to 76. Hey, alright, there we go. If you look on our serial monitor, you can see we just spiked to 76 right there, and it made our light come up as red. And if I let go, it's going to go back to yellow.